Look what came, everybody. My RipSkirt package. So we are going to open it up and see what I got. Always exciting to get mail from RipSkirt, my favorite place. The very first thing coming out is my wildflower watercolor sun scarf. I work on a boat. I'm outside all the time. I live in Maui, and these sun scarves can really, really do wonders. It will actually go with my peony blouse that I have on right now from RipSkirt. But most importantly, my wildflower watercolor sun scarf will go with my wildflower watercolor skirt. One of my absolute favorite that I have. All right, that was item number one. Item number two, I'm going with sports skirts here. I got another sports skirt. This is only my second sports skirt. This one is the pinwheel floral, brand new. Look at that color, isn't that pretty? Sports skirt. I'm trying to bust out of my blues. I do a lot of blues, and so here's some peach and orange, and that looks fantastic. And I did purposely look for another shirt to go with it. I love the RipSkirt shirts. Say that 3 times fast. And I bought the Dutch blue. The Dutch blue shirt, mainly to go with my pinwheel skirt. Look at that. That's gonna go beautifully with that. I can't actually hold it all up at the same time. But look at that. My Dutch blue with my new sports skirt pinwheel. This Dutch blue is going to go with most of the skirts that I own, because I own a lot of blue skirts. Wow, that looks so cute. Okay, keeping on with the sports skirt theme, I got the new Night Blooms. I was anxious to try something in the Night Blooms sports, the Night Blooms motif, anyway, color scheme. The sports skirt doesn't wrap. It's not the Velcro like a normal RipSkirt. So it does have these little side slits, which is really cute. When you open it up, it does have the little bit of mesh in there. So when you pull it apart to put it on, you are fully covered. They do have pockets, 2 pockets on the side. And what's neat about the sports skirt too is it has this hidden pocket in the back that you can put your ID or your key right in there. It's a pretty big pocket when you look at it from the inside. Look at that. That would hold anything, hold your phone. So 3 pockets on the sports skirt. So I'm really anxious to try that. Again, I live at the beach, literally on the ocean. So I'm really looking forward to that. Oh, my last one this time. I've been waiting for this one. I love the RipSkirt shirts. This blouse, the peony, the 3/4, it's one of my favorite. I have it in black, and now I have it in white. And I wear these all the time. And I bought this specifically to go with my new RipSkirt sports skirt. Look how great that's gonna look with that. Actually, this white's gonna look great with anything. Look at the pinwheel. I mean, the white's gonna go with everything. Look at that. Gonna go with my pinwheel one perfectly. I can't hold it up properly. This white one is going to go perfectly with so many of my other skirts. My new Viola. I love my purple one. Look how great that's gonna look. Oh my goodness, my other new one, Happy Blues. That white 3/4 sleeve. I don't know why I waited so long to get that, because I love these shirts. They're so soft and so lightweight and so free-flowing. This white one's gonna go with my Bali Jungle. It's gonna go with everything. It'll go with my original other sports skirt, Patchwork Blues, one of my absolute favorite. Okay, so that's the unveiling. Probably my favorite thing. I just love their shirts, so soft. But I got 2 new skirts, 2 new shirts, and another sun scarf. And how fantastic is that? Thanks, RipSkirt. Love your stuff.